Rinki and Golo parents had died in a car accident, but a young age, shots of them left with them grandparents in their grandparents' house. Now the grandparents with the only sports Rinki and Golo. One day grandmothers came to the house and started talking to her, sad sitting alone.
Oh God, have mercy on poor me. I am not able to feed myself properly. Now, how will I feed these children? What mistake had been done that you separated these children from their parents at such a young age? Oh God.
Just time Rinki and Golo came there and said to Nani.
Hey, sitting alone? What are you talking to God about? Nothing, my dear. It's just like that. You must be hungry. Let me make something for you. But not lentil and flatbread like usual, Nani. Today we want to eat something delectable. Chole bhature made by your hands. No one can make chole bhature like you. Really, Nani? You make the best chole bhature. But I know that right now you do not have that much money nor the ingredients to make chole bhature at home. So don't worry. We will eat roti chutney only. I am not able to meet my household expenses with my pension money. I am thinking of starting some work. Nani, I have got an idea. Why don't you do the work of making chole bhature? If you set up your chole bhature stall outside my school, you will earn a lot. Not only the children will be able to take it after the school gets over, their parents who come for school also pack food items from the carts placed outside the school and take them home.
Just times Minas who leaves the neighbors over her everything that Rinky says and grandmother.
I will also eat chole bhature made by Nani. So Nani, don't worry about money at all. Rather, I will make arrangements from the cart to arranging the goods. Just start making chole bhature from tomorrow. But no ifs or buts. When you start earning well, then return the money to me.
From the very next day, Nani starts sitting down chole bhature carts outside Rinky's school. As soon as school was over, the children would reach the carts due to the aroma chole bhatures made by Nani. Nani chole bhatures were so well on the very first days, being children and elders late Nani chole bhatures. When the school principal Manju Davis came next the courts.
Well, you are Nani, whose chole bhature has become so famous in a single day that Nani's chole bhature is on everyone's lips. Today, I have to eat Nani's chole bhature only.
Nani is very happy to hear principal's wear and start packing a plate of chole bhatures for principal ma'am.
Hey Nani, what will happen to me with one plate? You pack two plates.
Nani happily chole bhatures Manju ji's. Then in the same days, Nani started making chole bhatures and sit outside the schools every day. And with a few days, Nani returns the money. Take a few minutes now at Nani house. Everything neat from foods to drink. Rinky and Golu had good clothes in everything need for educations.
Both of you have changed my life. I could never have imagined that I can do such a big work at this age. But this has all become possible because of you both. There was a day when I had to sleep only drinking water. But see, today there is no shortage of anything in my house. My children, you are the reason behind Nani's chole bhature becoming so famous.
Golo hawk Nani's and speak.
So Nani, let's eat chole bhature made by you, and that too with hot pickles.
Grandmother smiles and says.
Why not, my children? I will make it right now.
Then all three gathered to eat chole bhatures with players. With a few days, Nani opened the chole bhature shops outside the schools, and many workers and employees the shops. Nani shops became so famous with the Nani of Nani chole bhatures. Then now people from while came to shops. One day, a young boy, Nani Ratish, comes to.
Chole bhature from Nani's shop is so delicious that whoever comes to this city definitely tastes Nani's chole bhature. Nani, please tell us what you put in your chole.
Lots of love, and I feel blessed to hear the praise that I get from you all, my son.
Ratish starts making video of Nani Chole Bhature made by Nani and upload it on YouTube's which Nani becomes overboard famous. Her videos also started virals on Instagram's scene which Rinky and Golus was shops now all the three Nanis and Golus and Rinky so happy.